Yeah, I mean,
The record low is 25 degrees, which was set in
no idea how we're
1879.
going to make it through this night
No
shift today.
precipitation
I'm
fell
beat right
yesterday,
now.
which leaves the monthly total at 2.76
Still
inches.
in the facility. I don't know how.
This is 0.12 inches below the... Weather radio's warning alarm device and is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Alpine, Amador, Butte, Calaveras, Colusa, El Dorado, Glen, Nevada, Placer, Western Plumas, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Sierra, Solano, Stanislaus, Sutter, Tehama, Tuolumne, Yolo, and Yuba. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service. It was mostly sunny. Temperature 50. South winds 22 miles an hour, gusting to 33. The following is an important weather message from the National